Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. I'm very happy to be with you today. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com, Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry, with the phone number is 8491-432-6556. Or you can also scan the two QR code on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to connect with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name Areca Capital channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Hồng Nguyen. She is a personal financial advisor and a Viet Capital Securities Stock Broker Manager. You can contact her with the email home.win@vcfc.com.vn with the phone number is 8491-432-6556. And we always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trung Đạo Street, Hoàng Kim District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And the purpose of this video is to update you about FPT. Strong growth momentum continues across segments. FPT Corp is a technology and telecom conglomerate with a top 3 market share in Vietnam's fixed broadband internet markets and market-leading position in technology services. Driven by its globalization strategy, FPT's global IT revenue CAGR was 20% over the last 3 financial years. As you can see, this is the report which was collated by Viet Capital Securities about FPT on the 19th January 2023, with the current price is 83,400 Vietnam dong, target price 105,600 Vietnam dong, upside more than 26.6%, dividend yield more than 2.9%. Rating by TSR more than 29.5%. Strong growth momentum continues across segments. FPT announced preliminary 2022 results with revenue of 44 trillion Vietnam dong, $1.9 billion, more than 23% year-over-year, and net profit after tax MI of 5.3 trillion Vietnam dong, $224 million, more than 22% year-over-year, which completed 104% and 95% of our respective full-year forecasts. These results broadly align with our expectation for FPT to experience prosperous earnings growth in 2022 that is backed by its core businesses, IT services, telecom services, and education. Software outsourcing revenue more than 22% year-over-year and PBT more than 22% year-over-year. Robust revenue growth was led by 50% year-over-year and 36% year-over-year increases in revenue from the US and APAC markets, respectively. FPT also experienced a strong recovery in Japan with revenue growth of 16% year-over-year due to pent-up demand for IT services following COVID-19 in 2021. In 2022, digital transformation revenue jumped 33% year-over-year and accounted for 39% of total software outsourcing revenue. In addition, new global software outsourcing contract revenue increased 39% year-over-year in 2022 to 21.6 trillion Vietnam dong, $915 million, and completed 92% of management's plan to achieve $1 billion from new contracts by year-end 2022. Domestic IT revenue more than 6% year-over-year and PBT more than 15% year-over-year. Domestic IT experienced 6% year-over-year revenue growth and 15% year-over-year PBT growth in 2022, thanks to strong global momentum from made by equity products, whose revenue increased 54% year-over-year. On the other hand, domestic IT's 2022 profits trailed our expectation, mainly due to lower demand for IT spending from corporations and banks, as well as the slow disbursement of IT budgets by local authorities. Telecom services revenue more than 16% year-over-year and PBT more than 18% year-over-year. In 2022, broadband revenue rose 9% year-over-year, mainly due to IPT's strong geographical coverage. Meanwhile, revenue from other services, including pay TV and data centers, surged 24% year-over-year. Telecom services PBT margin widened by 50 basis points year-over-year to 18% in 2022, thanks to the profitability of the pay TV segment improving and to robust data consumption that led to strong demand for data centers in Vietnam. Education and others, robust double-digit revenue and PBT growth. In 2022, FPT Education's revenue soared 53% year-over-year, undersourcing upbeat IT education demand in Vietnam along with FPT's strengthening reputation. FPT Education surpassed 100,000 full-time equivalent students in 2022. Figure 1. FPT's Q4 2022 and 2022 results. Software outsourcing, VCSC additional comments bolstered by FPT's competitive prices in the global market as well as strengthening consulting and technological capabilities. Growth was led by 50% year-over-year and 36% year-over-year higher revenue from the US and APAC markets, respectively. FPT also experienced a strong recovery in Japan with revenue growth of 16% year-over-year due to pent-up demand for IT services from COVID-affected 2021. Revenue from DX services surged 33% year-over-year in 2022. Domestic IT muted growth was mainly driven by lower IT spending from enterprise clients because of economic headwinds. Education strong growth bolstered by the bright outlook of IT education in Vietnam. Telecom services PBT margin expanded year-over-year from 17.5% to 18% thanks to the pay TV segment's profitability improving. And that brings me to the end of my presentation today about FPT. So if you want to open a legal trading account, don't hesitate to contact with us with the information on the screen so that we can assist you. Like, subscribe our channel and share this video to everyone to receive more and more the helpful information we give to you. So thank you for your attention, today, and see you next time.